Welcome to your very own Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I, Chef Pal, today will be showing you a quick and easy breakfast recipe called instant oats and whole wheat uttapam. So let's begin by making the uttapam recipe. So the first ingredient would be oats flour. What I've taken is, I've taken half cup of oats and blended it in a mixer to get half cup of oats flour. Some whole wheat flour, besan, rava and half cup of water. I'm going to whisk this well. So it's a nice thick mixture, as you can see, and this is all that we need right now. We're going to remove the whisk. We're going to cover this with a lid and keep it aside for 15 minutes. So till we've kept our mixture aside for 15 minutes, let's mix in the topping. So for that we'll take some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, some finely chopped green chilies, coriander and salt. And now we will mix this well. So this is basically our topping to put on the uttapams. Yes, so it has been mixed well. So it's been 15 minutes, let's check. Yes, to this we're going to add some more ingredients. Some lemon juice, just a pinch of baking soda, little water and salt. And we will mix this well. So our batter is ready. So now let's quickly start making the uttapams. So I've put the tawa to heat and it's nice and hot. We'll sprinkle a little water. And using a muslin cloth, we will wipe off the water. Now we'll take a ladleful of the batter and spread it to make a 5-inch circle, a little thick circle. We'll cook this for a minute. See, because we've added soda, you can see these. So make sure you add, it's just a pinch. To this we'll add a prepared topping. To this we'll add oil on the sides as well as on top. And make sure using a ladle you just lightly press the topping so it sticks into the batter. And we are going to cook it till it's nice and golden brown in color. Let's check. Yes. And we are going to press it a little lightly and cook it on the other side as well. Yes, so it has been cooked on both the sides. You can see it's light brown here also. We'll remove it on a plate and in the same way we'll make some more uttapams. So our perfect breakfast recipe is ready. Some instant oats and whole wheat uttapam. Serve it with some coconut chutney and sambar and enjoy it. And don't forget to let us know how you all enjoyed it. Till then, goodbye.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.